Hi, welcome guys. So today on Emacs, I'll continue with question one. Opening, saving, cutting, pasting, searching, undoing, and quitting. So this basically they have their codes and that we need to do. So starting question one, which is opening. They said, write what is the command to open a file from within Emacs. Write the answer into the file. So basically, the command for opening a file is cxcf. So go into our ALX sandbox. Let me just clear this so you guys can see. Yeah. So we create our opening file, touch opening, because we are writing it into the opening file. So it has been created. Then we use ls to list of files to check if our opening has actually been created. So we can see opening is actually inside. Then how do we now write our file code to open a file into the opening file we just created? So we use echo, then we write it c x c f, then opening. So this automatically writes our line of code into the file opening. We press enter. Then to check if we are actually correct, we press ls. Shows that we created a file called opening. Then we go back, we press cat opening. This shows us what we've written into that file opening. We press enter and shows us cxcf. So then we go back to our ALX code, then we check our code. You can see I've been having errors. So now when I start a new test, it should show me green dots, green ticks. So as you can see, we are all set and this is correct. So basically that is all for opening, right? So moving to saving, we just have to do almost the same thing that we've done. You guys get, we just like writing the same command key for saving into the saving folder we'll be creating. So that means we'll be creating a file called saving. Let's go to our ALX sandbox. So we'll be creating a file called saving. So touch saving, and press ls to check. Okay, now we have opening and saving. So now we'll be writing into our file saving. So we just echo. Then what is the code for saving? cxcs. Then we put, please remember there's no space after you put this sign. So saving is right into the saving function. I'll be saving file and we press enter. So ls cat saving, and it shows you that we've written the code. So once we go back to our ALX, then we check our code, start a new test, then it should be showing us green ticks. As you can see, you see the details. This, we are all correct. So we go back to cutting. We do the same thing for cutting, pasting, searching, and undoing and quitting. So just go back to our ALX again. ALX. So our next is cutting. So create touch cutting. Then we write into the file echo. What's the command for cutting? That's ck echo c k. Sorry, c k. Yeah. Automatically this right into the file. So we can just go back to our ALX and then we check our code. As you can see, this is all good and set. So we go back to pasting. We do the same thing. We come here, we touch pasting. Yeah, enter. Then we echo the command for pasting. So what is the command for pasting? That's C by and sorry. Always put a space. We don't put a space while you're writing into it. Pasting. Enter. So go back to our ALX and then we check our code to see if what we have actually done is correct. So basically let us see, as you can see we got our green ticks, everything is set. So we move on to searching. Sorry, sorry. Move on to searching, and we'll be creating our searching file and we'll be writing our code for searching into it. So touch searching, enter, echo. So what's the code for searching? That's CS, and then searching. So this automatically writes into searching. So you can just go back now, check the code, start a new test, searching. So all done. So now undoing and quitting. So we can just do the same together before we come and press and check our ALX for the code. So touch undoing, undoing, touch quitting. So the code. What's the code for undoing? That's C hyphen and underscore undoing. For what's the code for quitting? Echo CX 3XDC quitting. So go back to our ALX and we just run all our codes. Undoing, and see green ticks, and check your code for quit. Start a new test. So while we're waiting, I'll be giving you guys solutions to other answers and questions. I'll be to other questions on ALX that you'll be troubled with or having facing some challenges with, and then it will just be split into different bits. So you can see we are all correct, and that's just all for this task, and we're all done. So I can go to my project and can check. You can see 100% done, 100% done. So my remaining one is Vagrant. As since it's in 5 days time, I still have time, so I'll be giving you these guys maybe tomorrow. So all right, bye guys. Check out, like my post, subscribe, and check out more of my videos.